Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. What is the difference between machine learning and AI? First up, let's talk about AI, or artificial intelligence. AI is like the brainpower behind machines. It's a broad term for machines that can think and learn like humans. Imagine a robot that can chat with you, recognize your face, or play chess. That's AI in action. Think of AI as any technology that allows machines to do tasks that normally need human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI covers a wide range of technologies and applications, from smart home devices to complex robotics. Some common examples of AI include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, and even advanced systems like self-driving cars. Now let's talk about machine learning, or ML. Machine learning is a specific approach within AI. It's about teaching computers to learn from data. Instead of programming a computer step by step, you give it lots of data and let it figure out how to do tasks on its own. Machine learning is like training a student with examples rather than giving explicit instructions for every scenario. For example, to teach a computer to recognize pictures of cats, you don't describe every detail of a cat. Instead, you show it thousands of cat pictures, and it learns the patterns. Over time, it gets really good at spotting cats in new pictures. This learning process involves using algorithms, which are like sets of rules, to analyze data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. So, how do AI and machine learning work together? AI is the big goal of creating smart machines. Machine learning is one way to reach that goal. By using ML, we can make AI systems that improve and get smarter over time, without us having to constantly help them. Machine learning enables AI to adapt to new data and situations, making it more flexible and powerful. Let's look at some real-world examples. Your virtual assistant, like Siri or Alexa, uses AI to understand and respond to your questions. It uses machine learning to get better at responding based on what you ask it. The more you use it, the more it learns your preferences and improves its answers. Another example is personalized recommendations on platforms like Netflix or YouTube. These services use machine learning to learn what you like and suggest shows or videos you might enjoy. They analyze the types of shows or videos you watch and find patterns to make better suggestions. This helps keep you engaged and provides a more personalized experience. Self-driving cars are another fascinating example. They use AI to understand their surroundings and make driving decisions. Machine learning helps them learn from millions of miles of driving data to recognize objects like pedestrians, other cars, and road signs, and to make safe driving choices. This combination of AI and ML makes self-driving cars increasingly reliable and efficient. To sum it up, AI is the overall idea of machines acting smart, while machine learning is a method within AI that helps machines learn from data. It's like teaching a computer by showing examples, instead of giving detailed instructions. AI is the umbrella, and machine learning is one way to achieve the goals under that umbrella. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos with easily explained topics around AI and technology, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.